Welcome back to my organic chemistry class. Today we will study about homologous series. Okay, homologous series. It is very important. This topic is very important from exam point of view. So you can see that every year, almost every year, they ask question from homologous series. So it is very important from exam point of view. Now here, homologous series, from the name itself, we can understand that here we are going to learn about some series. Okay, so we can define homologous series as homologous series is series of organic compound series of organic compounds having same general formula, same functional group and same chemical properties. Okay, so how to learn homologous series? Okay, as I said, I found that mostly every year they ask question from homologous series. Okay, so how to learn homologous series? We just need to learn three things in homologous series. Compounds having same general formula, same functional group and same chemical properties. Okay, so if they will ask you question, the characteristics of homologous series, so you will just write these 3 points. Okay, 3 points. So same general formula, same functional group and same chemical properties. So any compound which shows same general formula, same functional group or same chemical properties, they belong to same homologous series. Okay, so this is homologous series. So in my definition here or the explanation, we just talk about the similarity. So is there any differences in homologous series? Yes. So what is different in homologous series? So we can say, okay, members of homologous series will show different physical properties. Okay, now what do I mean by physical properties? So physical properties means their density will be different, their boiling point will be different and their mass will be different. So these things, each member will differ from other. We can say, okay, physical properties of members of homologous series is different. Okay, is there any other differences? Yes, I can explain. Okay, one member differ from next member by CH2. What does it mean? It means the number of carbon and hydrogen in next member will be 1 more carbon and 2 more hydrogen. The next member will have 1 more carbon and 2 more hydrogen. So this point we will understand once I will show you the example of homologous series. Okay, so now you see this in my board. I will discuss homologous series. How many types of homologous series? You see homologous series. I'll just discuss 3 homologous series here. There are many different homologous series, but here I will discuss 3 homologous series to make you understand. Okay, so what are the 3 homologous series? And you will understand homologous series. Okay, so the 3 homologous series are, first one is alkane, The next one is alkene, and the third one is alcohol. Okay, now you see this alkene, alkene and alcohol. Okay, now first we will talk about the general formula. We will talk about the general formula. Okay. Now, general formula of alkene is CnH2n plus 2. General formula of alkene is CnH2n, and for alcohol is CnH2n plus 1 OH. Okay, so this is the general formula. The next we will talk about functional group. Okay. Okay. Now, functional group is carbon-carbon, single bond. Here, carbon-carbon, double bond. And here, OH. This is the functional group. Okay. Chemical properties we can't show here because chemical properties means we need to show the reaction. Now, the alkanes, any hydrocarbon which will have this general formula, that belongs to alkane. For example, suppose we talk about one carbon alkane, so it is CH4. Carbon is 1, hydrogen is double plus 2, that is 4. Similarly, the first member of alkene is C2H4 and the first member of alcohol is CH3OH. Now, the second member is 2 carbon alkane is C2H6. Second member is C3H6 and this is C2H5OH. Okay. Now, after this, C3H8, C4H8, C3H7OH, then C4H10, C5H10, C4H9OH. Okay, one more, C5H12, C6H12, and this will be C5H11OH. Okay, now why I wrote this? Because I can make you understand. You see, this is the series of organic compound, series of organic compound. Okay, and they are having same general formula and same functional group. Okay, now coming to the difference, homologous series show different physical property. Means you see here, when you will see the mass, so of course carbon 2 hydrogen 6 will be heavier than carbon 1 hydrogen 4. Carbon 3 hydrogen 8 will be heavier. So as you go down in the homologous series, the mass of organic compound increases. They don't have the same mass. So that is why we can say the physical property is different. Similarly, I'll just try to make you understand this point. One member differ from next by CH2. Now suppose any member we see. Suppose I select these two member. So if I select these two member, you check. Carbon number here is 3, here is 2. So which means that the difference in the carbon is 1. Difference in the carbon is 1. Hydrogen 6, 8. So difference in the hydrogen is 8. So anywhere you will check, anywhere there will be the difference will be CH2 only. Similarly, we can check here also. You see, if we will consider these two, carbon and hydrogen difference is same. 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen. Anywhere we can check these two also. CH2. So one member differ from the next member by CH2. So this is all about the homologous series. All about the homologous series. And again I am repeating this. This is very important. And you just need to understand the 3 similarity, 2 differences, and the homologous series is done.